Good morning. Now I'm here in Shabia 11, Mussafah, Abu Dhabi. Now there's a flood because of two consecutive raining. So this is the result of the rain. Now I cannot ride on the bus. So I'll wait here and check if I can go. Actually, this is the other way going to Dalma Mall. So all the staff working in Dalma Mall are waiting this bus stop, but the bus won't stop here. So we have to walk and go to other bus stop that the bus will stop from that side. Okay, and let's see if I will reach before 10 to open the store. Okay, I'll update you later. OMG, this is like a river. As you can see, OMG. We can swim now. Alright? Now I'm already here in other bus stop. So the bus will come. So I thought I was late. So I'm still here because of traffic.